Right. There's literally mud in this place. We're actually in the coastal region. Coastal region of California. What if we have issued something? And also, get back! I'm sorry, Miss Goldie. I'm sorry, Miss Goldie. I'm sorry, Miss Goldie. Hey, Goldie, I'm sorry you got pecked on. I'm sorry you got pecked on, Goldie. Did you peck her back? No way. Is that a freaking tornado? Yeah, warm up. Yeah, get work. Yeah, you should probably get working now. Yep. You're still working. Because there's a tornado's forming. There's clouds coming! There's clouds coming from San Diego mountains. Shouldn't be doing this. Because I want it to be cloudy. And cyclones. Could shine here. But there just will be more rain. Should be looking at this. Since the climate 75 degrees. Well, climate change is happening due to seasons changing every month. Every month. By the way, it's a rainy day. Trampoline time. And by the way, why is this here? And why is that here? How about we be here? Why are you guys running away? Guys, you see that? That's absolutely forming. Absolutely. And look, it's closer now. Wind, you should go this way now. Because I want more rain. More rain right now. Don't get me started on tornadoes. Maybe because I'm afraid. I'm afraid there is one up here. I'm afraid there is one up here. It's starting to rain again. Oh, that's very sweet. I don't know if there's tornado sirens here. But if there is, tell me more. And my butt. And my butt is itchy again. It's starting to rain again. Starting to rain again. Ah! Goldie, stop being mean to the blacks. They're just here to help you. Do you hear that? We're gonna be experience raining. We're gonna experience rain for the first ever time on this trampoline. No, it's starting to be sprinkle. Sprinkle it. Now it's drizzling. And you should keep looking at the clouds because they're now coming in. Into here. And guys, don't even think about it. We're starting to freaking of mate. Ha! They're starting coals. Well, I'm gonna. Oh no. I should probably. It's starting to be another one. This time I know it's going to be a flood watch. Because I love watching floods. Because you can see the road. You cannot see the road here, but you might see some roofs. You might see some roofs and chimneys. Because everyone has chimneys. Finally, they are here. Finally, they're here. The cloud. Anyways, we should probably I love rain. It's probably starting. I should probably stay back here. Just so the rain would not catch us. No, so we can see through here.